We are down here bright and early this morning because we have something exciting going on. This young lady here is from CIMS, C-I-M-S, and that is going to be our software company that is going to drone the whole cemetery, drone imagery, and then we'll be mapping it for our digitization project, which we finally signed the contract on last month. And this is the first step of getting started. We've already sent them the maps. This is going to be a long process. I think the mapping process is 3 to 4 months. There'll be lots of back and forth between us and the company. They'll map it, send us the maps. We'll have to come out and physically check some of them, not every plot, but just to be sure that things are in the right place. So she's going to be down here with her drone, as close as I can get, sending that up. And then after that, she said she needs to put in some markers, kind of maybe like a survey marker, so that they can get the GPS points correct. And it'll take about, I think she said 45 minutes. She likes to drone the cemetery twice. So this is super, super exciting for us. We've been working on this project for a long time. We have 2 grants, I believe, for this. I know one is from the DAR, and the other one, I'll have to check on that one. It's either from the Community Foundation or the Jefferson County Commissioners gave us some money. One was for digitization and one was for the chapel. So I'll check on that and get my facts straight on that one. You need me to move? Or are you good?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Okay, so there it is. It's got the flashing lights going. I think she's getting ready to send it up. And then we're going to get out of her way.
I'm actually going to do a reconnaissance flight.
Okay.
I'm concerned about that hillside, so I'm going to go check what its elevation is, because I'm like, I don't want to hit a tree.
Good idea.
I'm like, I don't know. So, I'm not quite starting yet.
All right. I'll do another video when she gets officially started.